In my previous class I have already discussed about is temporal coherence, in which there will be a particular time tc for which the wave is sine wave, and after this time there should be a discontinuity. So this is tau c or tc. This is the coherence time, and corresponding to the length, that is the time multiplied by velocity of light, is called coherence length. So in this video I am going to explain about spatial coherence. So spatial coherence actually depend on the space. The spatial coherence refers to the correlation between two light fields at two different space points at an instant of time on a wave front of a given light wave. Means if we observe a electromagnetic wave at two different space points, suppose this is a source, and this wave is moving along this direction. This is a point A and this is a point B. So for a particular for a certain time, if we observe electromagnetic wave point A and at point B, then if there should be a constant relationship, then we can say this is spatial coherence. Means if we take the phase difference between the wave at point A and B is equal to 5 to 30 degree. So if this 30 degree is a constant for a long time, then we can say it is a spatially coherent sources. So if we take a certain time at instant t1, if this is 5 to 30 degree, and after few seconds, few minutes, then let this is t2, and we measure the phase difference 60 degree, then we can call it as a non-coherent or incoherent sources. So for spatially coherent sources, phi should be constant for a particular time or later time. So basically we know that this is originated due to the temporal coherence, and there should be a length. So if we plot this electromagnetic wave with this space x, suppose this is one dimensional, then obviously this is LC. So if there will be a temporal coherence time with TC, then LC equals to TC into C. Actually this is LC. So for if AB less than LC or less than equal to LC, then we can say in between this condition, these points are, or these sources are coherence. Means then there will be a definite phase relationship between A and B, means constant phase relationship. So there will be a high degree of coherence. Again, if AB greater than LC, suppose AB equals to this, then obviously there should be a discontinuity. So we can say the phase relationship is not constant. This can be like this, this can be like this. So because this second part is independent of this first part, again there will be a third part. So third part also independent of this both, because due to the source. We know that a electromagnetic wave is generated from a transition of electron from higher state to lower state in atom, and this is equivalent to H2, and there will be a time of transition about 10 to the minus 10 seconds. So actually this is about the coherence time. So after 10 to the minus 10 seconds there should be a new wave. So this is like a photon. So for this time this is a sine wave, and again there should be second transition. So this may be like this may be like this, or different type of. So there should be discontinuity. So if AB greater than LC, then obviously there should be a high degree of incoherence sources. we now consider the point A and C. Let there will be another point in another direction. This is point C, which are equidistant from the sources. This is equal distance, but unlike the previous case, not on the same line joining S. So this is a along a joining line, so this is a different line. In other words, if S is true point sources, light wave will reach A and C exactly in the same phase. In other words, the two space point will be perfect spatial coherence. In case of source is extended one, if this is extended sources, a metal light or tube light something, then the distance is same, but the phase relations should be different, so we can get a non-coherent sources. Therefore spatial coherence depends also the size of the sources. Size, if there will be size is precisely about point size, then there should be large or high degree of coherence, and if the source is extended, then the spatially coherence limits breaks.